Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Cadillo here. Today, for my fourth grade students, I will be demonstrating the process of erosion. So I have my helper here. This is little Mr. Cadillo, my son Aaron. He is going to assist me in demonstrating. We have some dirt here. We're going to be demonstrating the process of erosion. Erosion is a process of eroding or being eroded by wind, water, or other natural agents. Today, we're just going to demonstrate wind and water and how that works on forming our Earth's surface. And boys and girls, I want you to really look for what we're doing during this experiment, because I will be seeing how you guys understand this. I want you guys to explain to me how water and wind both form our Earth's surface. Okay. I'm going to be asking you a series of questions so that I know that you guys understand this. So to get started, today I want you guys to walk away with the knowledge that wind and water and some other natural agents are the cause of our Earth's surface and how they form. So let's go ahead and get started. Right here I'm going to scoot all the dirt on one side. And over time, actually, Aaron, can you go ahead and put some of these boulders on the dirt, please? Just place them anywhere. Okay, here you go. Keep putting them. And I have my handy dandy straw here. You see that? I want you to blow gently over the Earth's surface to see how the wind will change the particles on our surface here. Okay, go ahead, Aaron. And over time, the wind will change the form of these mountains and these land formations. But you see that the boulders help anchor some of the particles surrounding it. Okay, that's enough. Thank you, Aaron. Whew, it's a little dusty. You see, some of the particles have moved. Okay, boys and girls, now we are going to demonstrate how water affects erosion, or how water affects the land formation through erosion. So I got our dirt. I got it all muddy. I got my hands all wet and dirty. So we are going to create somewhat of a river along this side. You see the river here? Now, Aaron, can you put some of the boulders on the edge here? It doesn't have to be perfect. Just place them there, just alongside. Thank you. Now, we have now go ahead and put this on like this. We have go ahead and put it right here. Hold it. And we are going to see how the water is now transforming the sides of our river. Go ahead and put it. Now, a lot of the water is running off and having the land particles just like this. Keep putting in the water, Aaron. Can you put water? And it's breaking apart more the end of that riverbank. And it made the river actually a little bit wider. But do you see how the boulders are keeping that land together?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And there you go. That is how water affects the land formation through a river. Okay, so now our third way we're going to demonstrate this erosion is by creating a little cliff, the way you see here, as if we were at the beach. So if we were to put this whole glass of water on the empty part there and then create waves, you will see how the water affects the dirt. Okay. I'm going to bring this a little bit closer here. Aaron, do you mind just moving this a little bit back and forth to kind of create a wave? Well, a little bit more. You see the cliff there? Do it a little bit more, a little bit higher for the waves to go higher. It's breaking apart some of that cliff to erode some of that edge. And that's what you see when you're at the beach. Thank you, Aaron. So, my question for you boys and girls is, how can erosion affect the land? I want you guys to jot that down in your science notebook so that you will be ready for your answers tomorrow.